let's get right into it, because why waste time? We not wasting no time in the new year. Hey y'all, it's Baby J. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, back to the channel, and I'm back with the dealings. Today we're doing a YouTube video on how to start your YouTube channel with nothing but your iPhone or your phone. Doesn't matter what kind of phone you got, or just how to start a YouTube channel in general. If you got a phone, you got something to record on, you can make a YouTube channel, you could start it. It's the new year, why not? It's crunch time. Let's look forward and let's do better for ourselves. So I wanted to make a YouTube video showing you guys how to do it. Let's get started. So I made a list of what I needed or used in order to start my channel. So I hope this will help you guys. The first thing I decided that I needed in order to start my YouTube channel was basically how I wanted to brand myself, how I wanted to name myself, what I wanted my brand to be. Well, my brand or my niche is basically how-to videos, styling videos, or things like fashion, which I haven't gotten into yet, but there are plenty of more videos coming up, and I do that in every video. But there will be plenty of time for those videos to come out. That is basically my niche. That is what I wanted to show and represent on my channel. It is important that you do that for your channel as well. Number 2, planning your videos out. So after you find your niche, plan your videos. Make a list of at least 100 video ideas that you can have just off the top of your head of what you want to do on your channel. Video ideas that you can do without having to pay for anything or having to buy anything. A lot of YouTube videos includes, investing in your craft and actually buying things, but when you're first starting out, I think it's very important that you come up with ideas that don't really include you having to spend money or a lot of money. So think about that. Boom. You have to plan out what you want to do and how you want to do it before you can start recording yourself. Also, guys, my boyfriend got me a mic for Christmas, and I'm loving it. So shout out to my boyfriend. I love you. Thank you for this. I love you so much. Oh my God, I can't really, he's invested in me. Well, you know what that is? Marriage. He's not going anywhere. Number 3. Have a nice place to film or make videos. Have nice lighting, have a quiet place to record and make videos. I just cracked my finger. A quiet place to make and record videos. Make sure you have good sound. That my boyfriend so generously, I was having a little bit of issues with my sound, but make sure you have all of those elements before you start recording. Now, not to say that you can't start recording without it, because if you can start your YouTube channel, I would say just do it. Just go for it. But if you can, you will get a longer watch time if your audience is able to see you. Great lighting. Make sure you have good sound. They have a nice picture. You have a nice background that will take you more seriously, think you more professional, think you know what you're talking about, and listen to what you have to say more. And that is a fact. Originally, what I did for my background was I got a clothing rack, and I got some really cheap material. It was like $1, $2, $3 at max from Walmart. I hung it over the clothing rack, which was very easy to put together, that you can get from places like Walmart or Target. And that was my background for a while. With so many creative ideas, like the idea for a ring light. There are so many cheap options for lighting or things like that. So before I was able to get my tripod, which is about $20 on Amazon, I used books for my setup and my phone to record. I also made a ring light, so check out my last video to see how. I used mirrors to give me even more light while filming, and I just decided to be creative and come up with my own cool setup ideas. Y'all could probably hear this all through the video. Should I take them off? No. So next is number 5. Number 4, make sure your ideas and your thoughts connect. Make sure that your video makes sense. Who wants to sit here and watch a video that makes no sense? I'll wait. No one. So make sure your ideas connect and they flow and they lead into the next idea, and that it all comes together like a beautifully written paragraph, and that it's understandable for other people to understand, because the point of your videos is to inform others of what you're talking about, what you're trying to show them, what you're trying to inform them about. People will call you out on what doesn't make sense, what doesn't flow. People will comment and tell you about yourself. So of course you want to make sense when you're informing people about what you're talking about. Number 5 is be interesting. Like, nobody wants to sit here and watch people that's not interesting or that's boring or that doesn't give them what they want. No, you want to watch somebody that's interesting to you, that you enjoy watching, that you will sit there and actually watch a 20-minute video just because you find them funny or you find them cute. Be somebody that you would want to watch. I'm gonna say that again. Be somebody that you would want to watch. Be yourself. Nobody else on this planet is like you. Nobody else has all the qualities that you hold. Nobody else has all the ideas that you have. Nobody else can put things together the way you put things together, and nobody else sees things the way that you see them. We all have our own personal experience, thoughts, and opinions. So of course we all develop our own personalities, and everybody's personality is interesting to someone. That's 100% facts. I found that me just being myself in my videos helps my videos flow a lot better. I'm not as nervous when I make them, stressed to make my videos look a certain way when, I'm just being myself. Those who appreciate me for me will appreciate me for me, and those who don't are gonna just keep it pushing. Number 7 is just go for it, y'all. Just do it. Just start your channel. Just do it like Nike, okay? Sponsor me. Nike, I'm serious. There's no reason for you to wait. Maybe I should do it there. No, do it right now. So what number was that? The next point that I want to touch is use what you have. Use what you have to make your videos stand out. Use what you have to make your videos interesting. Use what you have to get people to want to watch you. If you have a nice camera that you can record on, use that camera. If you only have your phone, use your phone. Doesn't matter what you don't have, use what you do have. That's it. Don't look at anybody else. They got to that point that they're at right now because they used what they had. It's very important, it's very crucial to the growth and development of your channel that you don't look at anybody else and worry about what you got going. That's how people get people to support them, because they use what they have, they are themselves, they do it the way that they want to do it, and those people are like, this is interesting, this is new, I like this. For those who don't have a computer, because I do have a MacBook, which I do edit all of my videos on. For those who don't have a computer or don't have anything to edit on, if you have a smartphone, you have something to edit on. So many apps out there that you can use to edit your videos to help you with YouTube. You don't need a computer, you don't need expensive software, you just need your phone. There are so many apps out there, I'm telling you guys, so many apps. And if you have an iPhone but you don't have a Mac, there's iMovie. There's an iMovie app that you can use, which I use on my computer, I edit, but you can also use it on your phone. Better yourself with every video that you make. Just go for it. Just do it, y'all. Y'all like my braid? What? I did this. I'm gonna make a video on it just so y'all know. Have fun. Have fun making your videos. People can tell when you make videos and you're not having fun or you're not enjoying what you're doing. People can look at your videos and be like, oh my god, this is boring, and click off. I hope you guys know that YouTube videos are not only about the amount of views, but it's about your watch time as well. So if you're getting a lot of views but your watch time is only at a minute when you have a 20-minute video, baby girl, YouTube is not going to suggest you. YouTube's going to look at your video and be like, they don't find her interesting. I'm not going to suggest her content more. Which means that even if people do want to watch you, less people will see your video if your watch time is small. Lastly, which is something I need to work on, is being consistent. Be consistent with the videos that you post every week or whenever you decide to post. And be consistent with posting on the day and the time that you chose to post. Some people will be disappointed if you don't post. I actually had 2 people hit me up like, you didn't post this week, what are you doing? And I'm like, wow, look at me, y'all care. We're not holding ourselves back anymore. Just go for it. We're trying to do the best that we can while we're here on this earth. We're trying to be happy. We're not trying to look back and regret not starting what we could have started, not doing what we wanted to do because we were too afraid of people judging us. It just doesn't matter, because really, once you realize that you only have one life to live, you don't really necessarily need to care about what people think about you anymore. You don't necessarily need approval from everybody else, because you're doing what you're doing because you want to do it. Why do we have to explain ourselves to people? We don't. That's how you start a YouTube channel. You go for it. So wish you guys all luck in starting your YouTube channel in this beautiful year. Thanks for watching and supporting me on this little short journey. I've only been on YouTube for about 3 months now. I hope we continue to grow together. Have a beautiful day, and I can't wait to support you all on your YouTube channels as you guys have mine. And if you do start your YouTube channel, leave your name down below. I would love to check you guys out and see what you got going on. You know, leave your name down below. Leave the link down below. I might pull up and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe. Subscribe. Shoulda. Thanks for watching, guys. Start your YouTube channel.